Millie, one big piece of dirty courthouse and excitement bangarang. Them after one murder and gun trial, who are a 33 gunman from one very infamous Spanish town gang. One other fraction, one damn Klansman. Mama, me did feel sad. Me did hear testimony when me I go to church on Sunday there. But mama, them a star witness what them have a testify. Millie, them not play. Millie, me nervous. Them a expose a serious criminal undercover operational game. And the cold sweater wash the whole Jamaica. Cause everybody a hope say the star witness no go bust out and go call out for them name. The first star witness, him touch the surface. But you see the second one, him touch the core. Right now enough people are pray for goddamn C4 so he can't expose and chat no more. Them call out Ioctane, mama. Sam used to go to studio with him, but him never said nothing else. But Ioctane get defensive and clap back on social media, poor thing, nearly incriminating himself. But the big stink was shock everybody. One nearly make me shit. Excuse my language, Millie. But the second star witness, Kartel, had a whole 3 hit. Millie, no, you're wrong. Me did a pray to God to say yes, it would be another hit song. But them say it's a program in me that try run. Millie, you can't quote me. If you want to know the full story, go over on YouTube, go watch Politics with Sir P. Them say the other 2 was successful, but the third one, the mission failed. No, everybody have it stinker say, and Miss Rona Pryor prevail. Yeah, them say the third hit was Panafella Entertainer. Grab a popcorn, mama, because this a new crowd, it a puzzle the whole Jamaica. Right now, the whole Gaza classroom confused. Me all I wonder, how the prefect really feel? For your name, go call upon 2 more murder plus another attempted. How the teacher look for the England appeal? Both of the star witness said them did force to join the gang. So if pick up and execute badness wasn't for them intention. Them was afraid that the leader were them alias as black man. All the other day me reading on the newspaper, say him not like the food that them a give him in jail. Ma? What do you? Talk to him there, Kartel. You sign up for prison, sir, not a 5-star hotel. The star witness called out all sorts of people who helped them, so it like was an organized team crime. Well, I feed them on the side for work with the CTOC unit and overturn them this time. Them say all the citizens them in the community help. And you see how them love Black Road and go on? And when police wake up the bad man them a protect them. And I talk about, he was an innocent man. Everybody I group on the case here are the biggest one of its kind in the entire Jamaica. Boy, Millie, crime really get out of hand. Only God can help the case. It's like we in a one big little play dolly house game where Jamaica is just not a real place. In our days, some of the entertainers them get vexed cause them say music a influence crime. But them are living in denial. If them blind and can't see, so most of them will either get convicted or arrested. It has to be a sign. Kartel Ninja Man, Shanstam Quada. Laden Tommy Lee, Ritical Jockey or Zebra. My mouth will be tired if I try to call the rest. We might as well just about the reggae festival and instead keep a big jail fest. Back in the days when dancehall was good, the fights were only lyrical. But nowadays the man them want to do the crime and sing about it. Them a vampire demonical. Them a drink blood out a ram goat head. A perform all kind of ritual and human sacrifice. Gosh, how them sleeping in them bed? How the inspiration shift from the lyrics on a paper to making a next creative a dopey, a fallen soldier? Oh no, worse than Leviticus. I have so much strength for gay and lesbian. Una pass me a Sodom and Gomorrah wickedness and una fulfill the book of Revelation. Them are going bad for true man, Millie. People just live and fret. Me here say get to broker till he say he could have find them with all one water gun. You know the sentence going to be death. Millie, me really pray Jamaica make a turn. But things look sticky, friend. Kiss me backside. Hold on, the goodie. Why? The Klansman talk again.
Follow me at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and drama.